How do I mount an NFS share in Windows 8? I have a NAS that I'd like to mount over NFS. It works great on my Mac, but I cannot figure out how to mount this device on Windows 8. I've searched a bit online, but all the articles seem to apply to Windows 7 and involve the mount command, which doesn't seem to be part of Windows 8. What's the command to do this?
To connect to an NFS share, you need to make sure you have the NFS client installed. This component is a part of the Services for Unix component. Go into the Control Panel, Programs and Features, then turn Windows features on or off. Make sure Services for Unix-based applications, deprecated, is checked, and click OK. Be advised that typically only Ultimate and Enterprise versions of Windows typically have this component available. This will install the MS-NFS client and, as far as I know, the mount command. I'm not at work so I can't verify exactly. If I remember, I'll update Monday. If your NAS can enable CIFS or Samba style shares, I would use that instead.
In Windows 8, 8.1 Enterprise for me here. There are two parts. First, installing the client, and second, mounting the drive. Installing the client. Go to Control Panel, Programs and Features. Select Turn Windows features on or off from the left-hand navigation. Scroll down to Services for NFS and click the plus on the left. Check Client for NFS. Select OK. Windows should install the client. Once the client package is installed, you will have the mount command available. Mounting the export. This assumes the following. You know and can ping the hostname of the machine with the NFS exports. The name of the exported file system, e.g. /export, /home /users, /some /col /file /path. The file systems are properly exported and accessible. Open a command prompt. Win+R, enter CMD and press OK. Type. Examples. And that's the basics.
Driver, this URL. On its NFS-v4 project website, the University of Michigan's Center for Information Technology Integration, CITI, has announced that, after 18 months of development and since the start of September, source code for its Windows driver for distributed file system NFS-v4.1 has been available from a Git repository. According to the release notes, compilation requires the Windows Driver Development Kit, Win 6000 or later, and installation of the compiled driver requires a Microsoft test certificate. The included test scripts require a Cygwin environment including the GCC core, make, sun, contain packages.
Services for Network File System, NFS, feature is available only in the Windows 8 Enterprise Edition. This feature is not available in Windows 8 and Windows 8 Pro editions. Users when operating from Windows 7 Ultimate or Windows 7 Enterprise Edition to Windows 8 Pro Edition can no longer use Services for NFS feature. In order to continue to use Services for NFS feature in Windows 8 Client, Windows 7 users will have to upgrade to Windows 8 Enterprise Edition. Source: this URL.
Ele o VAT, você pode também, para ser considerado público.